Welcome to Chic and Sleek. Are you ready to rock your beauty game this summer? In this video, we'll be sharing 10 amazing DIY summer beauty hacks that will help you achieve gorgeous skin and hair, all while enjoying the sun and fun of the season. From natural remedies to clever tricks, we've got you covered with easy and budget-friendly solutions to keep you looking your best. So, let's dive in and discover these fantastic beauty hacks. DIY Cooling Face Mask. Beat the summer heat with a refreshing and nourishing DIY face mask that will leave your skin feeling cool and rejuvenated. We'll show you how to create this simple and soothing mask using natural ingredients from your kitchen. Beachy Waves Hairspray. Get those perfect beachy waves without any heat damage. Learn how to make a DIY hairspray that adds texture and waves to your hair, giving you a carefree and effortless summer look. Sunburn Soothing Spray. If you've spent too much time in the sun, this DIY sunburn soothing spray will come to your rescue. We'll share a simple recipe that combines natural ingredients to calm and soothe sun-kissed skin, providing relief from sunburn. Homemade Lip Balm. Keep your lips soft, smooth, and hydrated with a homemade lip balm. We'll guide you through the steps to create a deliciously scented lip balm using nourishing ingredients that will protect your lips from the harsh summer elements. Natural Bug Repellent. Don't let bugs ruin your summer fun. Learn how to make a natural bug repellent spray that will keep those pesky insects at bay, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor activities bug-free. DIY After Sun Soothing Lotion. Soothe your skin after a day of sun exposure with a DIY After Sun Lotion. We'll show you how to make a calming and moisturizing lotion using simple ingredients that will help restore your skin's hydration and minimize sun damage. Aloe Vera Hair Mask. Repair and rejuvenate your hair with an easy-to-make DIY aloe vera hair mask. We'll share a nourishing recipe that will help restore moisture, add shine, and tame frizz, leaving your hair looking luscious and healthy. Cooling Cucumber Eye Pads. Tired, puffy eyes? We've got the perfect solution. Learn how to make cooling cucumber eye pads that will refresh and revive your eyes, reducing puffiness and dark circles, and giving you a bright-eyed look for the summer. DIY Tinted Moisturizer. Achieve a natural, dewy look this summer with a DIY tinted moisturizer. We'll show you how to customize your own tinted moisturizer using a few simple ingredients, giving you light coverage and sun protection in one product. Refreshing Summer Body Mist. Stay refreshed all day long with a homemade body mist that smells like summer. We'll share an easy recipe that combines invigorating scents with hydrating ingredients to keep you feeling refreshed and revitalized during the hot summer months. So, there you have it. With these 10 DIY summer beauty hacks, you'll be able to take care of your skin and hair while enjoying the best of the season. Give these hacks a try and get ready to look and feel your best this summer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Chic and Sleek for more beauty tips and tricks. Happy summer, beauties!